The Earth and the Moon. Unit 6, 6.1. The shape of the Earth, Sun, and the Moon. We are going to learn about the shape of the Earth, Sun, and Moon. Find out why the Earth, Sun, and the Moon are of the same shape. Work out which type of scientific inquiry we need to use. Research the Earth, Sun, Moon. Learn science by making a model. Look at the picture of the Earth, Sun, and Moon. What do you know about them? Our home planet, Earth, is a sphere made of rock and metals. The Moon is a natural satellite that orbits the Earth. The Sun is a star composed of hot, glowing gases. What sizes are they? The Earth is more than 3 times wider than the Moon. The Sun is 109 times wider than the Earth. The Moon is about 27% the size of Earth. What shape are they? The Earth, the Sun, and the Moon are all spheres. What are they made of? Earth is made of rock and metals. The Sun is made of hot glowing gases. Moon is made of rock. The Sun, an average-sized yellow star 4.6 billion years old, 110 times the diameter of the Earth. The Earth, life-supporting water oxygen-rich atmosphere that blocks harmful rays. The Moon, our small, rocky satellite, about one-fourth the diameter of Earth. Moon, Earth, Sun. The Earth, the Sun, and the Moon are all spheres, the same shape as a ball. We can say they are spherical. Gravity acts uniformly on a sphere, making it look spherical. Gravity makes spheres. The Earth is a sphere. The Moon and the Sun are also spheres. Every object with mass has gravity. The more mass an object has, the stronger the gravity is. The Moon is smaller than the Earth, so the Moon's gravity is weaker than Earth's. The Sun is much bigger than the Earth, so the Sun's gravity is much stronger than the Earth's. An object's gravity pulls everything towards the center of the object. Gravitational force. The Earth is a sphere because the Earth's gravity pulls everything, even itself, towards the center. The Moon is a sphere because the Moon's gravity pulls all the rock it is made of towards the center. The Sun is a sphere because the Sun's gravity pulls all the gas it is made of towards the center.